Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, my people, I have a clip, you understand, about an incident that took place in Jamaica. So this video, my people, couple seconds, I'm going to share it with you all, my people. But some part of it, me really have to block it out because of the guidelines and thing. I wouldn't want to break the protocols. You understand, my people? So just check out this, my people. Then me explain to you what I go on. Some viewers and subscribers, this incident now, my people, took place in Denham Town. Them say now, my viewers and subscribers, Kingston, Jamaica, on March 18, which is Friday, my people, 2022. See? And basically, them say people, the police them come say boom, them have a man like a suspect, you know what I mean, for illegal possession of firearm people, and then come say boom, based on the information where I get my people, it is alleged then go for him for arrest him, my viewers and subscribers. But during this whole proceeding, my people, boy, me not tell a lie, people. The woman them swarm the police, them my people, like them decide so the police them can't arrest the man, the police them can't take him. Even when the police them stay so boom and beat too corn up in the ear, my viewers and subscribers, the people them nah move, them nah run, them stand up tough, them stand up strong. You know what I mean? And in the end, my people, it is alleged that the police managed to find a submachine gun pan him, my people, in our waist. You understand? Based on the info I get. But when I ask some viewers and subscribers, on a real level, you know what I say? Police have it really tough at Jamaica and hard. A lot of police, you know what I mean? Them have it really tough on the battlefield, you know? You know, and this is why things stay like that. Because if it's be with them say, people, because as I say, it is alleged, right? So if the information do go like, oh, it is out there with them some people, so police go for make an arrest of a man, suspect of, you know what I mean? And when them go for him, people, this is how it turn out to be. But during the whole process, they manage to find an illegal gun pan him, people. Honestly. And you see how the people, but just think about that one illegal piece, how much people it can take out, how much people life can get drained. And a real level, man, yo, Jamaica, yo, it really rough, people. It's like a war zone out there for a lot of police people. It's a battlefield because in the end, them a look for the killers, them a look for the gunman, them people. But still, the citizen them out there, who fear comes to boom and say peace, people, them not give the police them a chance a lot of times. It really rough, man. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, things like them, I look when I have to pray different, you know. I have to say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You know, it's tough. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. No, man. You see how them a lampiler? Oh, yo, me say if a certain part, then them viewers and subscribers, and I see where they comment and people say, yo, Jamaica police not carry teaser or them something there. Yeah, honestly, man, if I did, yo, my people, it rough. It rough. Jaja. Big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, and please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official, attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.